In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox to share files. Dropbox is a fantastic tool, especially when it comes to sharing files quickly and efficiently, whether you're working with colleagues or sharing photos with family and friends. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to dropbox.com using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top section of your Dropbox homepage. This is where you'll see the upload option located conveniently under the search bar. Clicking on upload allows you to bring files from your device into your Dropbox account. Another convenient option is to drag and drop your files directly into this area, which offers a quick and easy method for uploading. Next, once you click on upload, you'll be presented with three options: file, folder, or import from Google Drive. Depending on what you need to share, simply select the appropriate option for your task. After making this selection, you'll be prompted to choose the specific files or folders from your computer. After you've made your selection, just click on the Open or Upload button, and your content will start transferring to Dropbox. Now that your files are successfully uploaded, let's move on to sharing them. To do this, hover over the file or folder you'd like to share. You'll see a Share button appear. Clicking on this button gives you the option to copy link. This link can then be easily shared with others. You have a wealth of sharing options here. Whether you prefer sending your link via email, messaging apps, or social media, Dropbox makes it straightforward to share your files. But let's say you want to share files directly with specific people. In that case, look for the file or folder you wish to share and hover over it. Click on Share and then click Add People. Here you can enter the email addresses or names of the individuals or groups you want to share with. One of the great features Dropbox offers is the ability to control permissions. You can decide whether these people can edit the files or simply view them. If you'd like, you can also add a personal message to accompany your share. I find it adds a nice touch. Finally, click on Share File or Share Folder. Dropbox will take care of notifying the people you've just shared the content with. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share your files using Dropbox, making collaboration and sharing simple and efficient. Don't hesitate to experiment with these features and find what works best for your needs. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.